So, you want to learn some Korean? Great! Let's jump right into your very first words.
We're going to cover 8 essential words you can use, like right now. You ready for this? Okay, first up, hello. This is the one you'll hear everywhere. It's polite and super common.
Let's say it slow.
안녕하세요.
Now, a bit faster.
안녕하세요.
Your turn. All right, next up is a super useful one. It means yes, but can also mean I see or I agree.
It's just one quick sound. Try it with me. 네. Again, 네. You got this.
And of course, we need the opposite. Here's how you say no. Listen for that starting sound. Let's try it. Slow and steady. Ah, ni, yo. Now, normal speed. 아니요. Go for it.
You're doing great. Now that you can say yes and no, let's ask some questions, shall we? This one is absolutely essential. To ask what, you just need this one little word.
It's super quick. Say it with me. Mo. A little faster. Mo. Now you. Okay, another really important question word. If you need to ask where, this is your go-to.
Let's say it together. Slowly.
어디,
Now, at a normal pace,
어디.
your turn to try.
Awesome. You can ask questions now. Let's move on to naming some things and actions.
Time for our first noun. This one is really common. It's the word for house. It's another one-syllable word. Super simple. Ready?
집,
Again.
집.
Now you give it a shot. Okay, check out this verb. It's so versatile and means to do. You'll hear it constantly. Let's break it down. First part, ha. Second part, da. Put it together, ha-da. And for our last word, it's a famous one you've probably heard. It's the word for love. Let's really get this one right. Slowly.
사랑,
Now normal speed.
사랑.
Say it with feeling.
And just like that, look at what you've learned. Greetings, questions, nouns, verbs. You're on your way.
Seriously, that's an amazing start. You've got a great foundation. So which word are you going to use first?